Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Modern Warfare on Android full guide. Open the Play Store, search the official title, confirm compatibility, and press Install immediately. After installation, restart the device, sign into your account, and allow updates to finish. I will guide you through controls, graphics settings, and connection tips to optimize performance and reduce lag for smoother matches on mobile. Start by opening settings and navigating to controls to customize your layout and button size. Test different sensitivity values in practice matches to find what feels natural for aiming and movement. If you have a controller or Bluetooth device, pair it in the Inputs menu for better precision. I will demonstrate practical tweaks that reduce recoil, improve aim, and keep your thumbs comfortable during long sessions to boost performance. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides and tips. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for music, timers, and hands-free voice commands while you game. It pairs nicely with a gaming setup and can announce match timers or alarms so you never miss a round. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Optimize performance by choosing graphics presets that match your device capability, then test frame rate options like 30 or 60 FPS for smoothness. Lower shadow and texture settings if you experience stutter, and enable performance mode for sustained frame stability. Keep thermals in check by avoiding heavy charging while playing, and clear background apps to free RAM. These steps help maintain consistent gameplay and reduce drops during intense multiplayer matches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.